Hi everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to explore the ad quiz feature which has been recently launched by YouTube. Also, do check out the YouTube launch playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. So for my other channel, I recently uploaded this video, and you can see this feature can be accessed while uploading the video or even the videos you are uploaded. So you can see this one is scheduled. I have added four quizzes, but I will showcase one for this video purpose. You can find this option over here. You can see these are the existing quizzes which I have added. For a demo example, I will showcase how you can add. So you click on add quiz. Now you can add your question and the options for it. Now, to make it simpler, what I've done is I have downloaded the transcript of this video, uploaded it on ChatGPT, and asked them to share me quiz questions which are related to the video and along with the timings. So what this does it, the questions will be very related as per the discussion which is ongoing in the video, right? So I have added some few questions from this only for demo purpose. I will add one more. So let's see what we can add. So I will add this question. We'll just go and add this over here. So like this, you can add multiple options, maximum up to four, and the correct answer which is there. So right now for this, it is C, North Ethiopia. I will just click on it so as to ensure the viewer knows once they have participated in the quiz whether they were right or wrong. You can add any explanation if you want to over here and just click on save. Before that, you can see you can adjust the timing just like cards which you do. So I will just put it over here right at the end of this video because it is a compiled question of what all is discussed in the video, and I will click on save. So you can see once the quiz is saved, you won't be able to edit it, you can't modify it, you can only delete the quiz and then create a new one, right? So that's the only option. Now you can see the quiz has been added, five quizzes have been added. Now how do would they appear? So even though this is a scheduled video, right, I will showcase how the quizzes would appear. So you can see over here the quizzes are appearing, and you can just click on take quiz, and you can see over here all the quizzes are appearing, and you can just ensure you can participate in it, right? So since I am the actual video creator, I am able to see the right answers, but the participants viewers will able to go through the quiz over here, right? That's the way it will play along, right? So this is the way the quizzes would appear. I hope this has been useful, and do like the video if you have found it useful, and subscribe to our channel if you haven't. YouTube with Saave.